No Memorial Day barbecue is complete without some red, white, and blue treats.
Ain't that the truth? Here to show us how to make them, we have a brownie, fruit kebab, so much more. Nancy Parent, you're the owner of Tears of Joy in Ludlow. It's your busy season, so thank you for taking the time out to join us today.
Thrilled to be here.
Kebabs, but kebabs that are not good for you.
Well, it depends. There's a lot of
delicious.
fruit.
That's true.
So, you know, this time of year, you're looking for something that's fun and easy to do, and that doesn't take a lot of time in the kitchen because it's going to start getting really hot.
Right.
So this, you could change up the fruit, you could change up anything that you want, and brownies are so easy to make them one way. You know, like I threw chocolate chunks and caramel Godivas in there, but
You shouldn't have told me
Yeah.
that.
but you
Oh
can
my
do
gosh.
anything that you want and make it really interesting, but you're not spending a lot of time slaving. So
I wonder what else would work, too, in addition to brownies. I wonder if cookie dough, because of its stickiness, would work well, too.
as long as it's cooked.
Good point.
Yeah. Well, that's why they, you know,
Oh,
pay me the big bucks, because I know you have to cook things before you serve them.
Nancy, if you're doing all the preparing, you're doing everything, you could also, I know you're probably going to hate me for saying this,
Oh,
but
don't do it, then.
you could buy
do
the
it.
brownies pre-made.
Absolutely.
Right?
Or make them
Because-
out of a mix. They make really good
Right.
brownie mixes.
Yes, so
All
then
right.
it cuts some of the time because if you're
Absolutely.
busy preparing.
Sure.
But then you still have this great idea, which is these fruit kebabs, which are single serving. People can take them and go,
Right.
and they're really cute and patriotic.
And I think kids would like them. So in this case, we did do red, white, and blue with red strawberries, the marshmallows, and the blueberries. But if you don't like marshmallows, you could also dip these in white chocolate, and then you would have your red and your white.
Oh, great idea.
And it's this simple. You know, you're going to skewer a brownie, and then you're going to skewer.
The red, the white, and then the blueberries. That is so cute. And you know what's good too? Usually when you're doing kebabs on the grill, you have to soak the kebabs in water so that they don't burn.
Probably want to skewer this better than I did.
No, here, let's all
I
try
think
one.
you're doing a great job.
Because I'm pretty sure that I will do it similarly.
But
Here
you
we
want to
go.
cut the brownies in small little squares, obviously.
Yeah, or whatever size you want. You know, I mean, whatever works for you. I'll try skewering it this way, see if we can get it to stay on. There we go.
All right, here we go.
And then if you want, I just melted some chocolate chunks, and you just take a fork and do this, and you can make it look really elegant, even though it's super, super easy.
It really is.
You know what? The kids would love this, too. Kids would
Yeah.
love to do this project.
Right. You could even put them on the table. And I have been known to do this with, like, here's your cupcakes, here's all your different icings, go crazy. You could put them out and people could make their own kebabs. And if they don't like marshmallows, they could skip it and make something else, you know, put something else in there.
Love this idea. What a nice dessert idea. Plus, we have your ice cream cone cupcakes over here. Tell us how you did this.
So I like just really cute little things, and it's just cupcakes. I put sugar cone on the bottom, put up 3 or 4 cupcakes, making it look like it's kind of a topsy-turvy, and then you just literally plop the buttercream on. And as I said before, you don't have to have icing bags or tips. You can put it in a Ziploc bag, cut a little hole, and literally you want it to look like ice cream, so you just kind of want to plop it
So
on.
messy is good because
Yeah.
you know
Good.
we eat our ice cream, especially in the summer, it melts. So
Right.
that's so cute,
Exactly.
easy to do, and makes for a really nice presentation.
Thank you,
I
Nancy.
love it.
Thanks.
And now later in the show, we're going to do more stuff, too. What are we going to do?
Yes, we are going to do milk pops, ice milk pops,
Ice milk pops.
which are kind of healthy but really good and really for you, because I know that you like ice cream better than cake.
No,
Perfect.
no,
I
you know, I'm
can't
going to
wait
eat
for
some
that,
cake right now,
Nancy.
then.
Okay.
So you eat that stuff. Graduation season, we're back with Nancy Parent, owner of Tears of Joy in Ludlow. We're making ice milk pops, red, white, and blue.
Yes.
Perfect for the
In
theme.
Do you, I don't know if you serve popsicles to your little ones, they're pretty little, but I know one of the things that I used to always be very concerned about was the fact that they weren't very healthy and they were really sugary.
Oh,
Yes.
no.
So I thought this was a nice alternative. It's something that's cool and refreshing, but it's not super sugary. And there's only 4 ingredients, so this like works really
That's
well.
easy. All right.
Great.
You can use any kind of fruit that you want. You're going to use some whole milk, some honey. If you don't like honey or if someone is allergic to it, you can use Caro syrup in its place. And a flavoring. And this one happens to be a brown sugar flavoring.
Ooh.
But
Can I smell that?
Yeah, it's
A
wonderful.
brown sugar
I got a whiff
flavor.
from over here.
In coffee, it's wonderful.
Oh,
Yes.
It's just
you're
a warm,
right.
lovely.
You want to
It's
smell that?
very comforting.
It is, it is. And all you need is your little chopped up strawberries and your blueberries in this case.
Now, do we
So-
put them all into the milk?
Nope. So what we're going to do is we're just going to stir that up a little bit.
Okay.
Do you want a fancy tool like you have there?
A whisk.
Look at this fancy.
You can
That's
use a
a
fork.
fancy whisk.
You really
Okay, but
don't need too much of
anything, just-
anything. Sure, just
All
something
right.
to mix it up. He's having a great time. with
I'm having a
that.
good time.
And then we're just going to take. I'm going to reach across you. I'm really
Oh,
sorry.
sure, that's
you?
fine by me.
There you
Okay.
go.
And if you have trouble finding these, as I did, I don't know why. I don't know where I was looking, but you can find them at the dollar store.
Oh.
Yeah, which is
We both
great.
got very excited about
I think
that.
we know what we're doing on our lunch break then.
So I'm just like pouring some. As you can see, I'm not being really neat about this, which is why I'm wearing gloves. I'm just putting some of the fruit in,
Okay.
and I'm going to take the blueberries now.
You
Put some
bet.
of that fruit in.
So you put the fruit in. You're whisking fantastic. You put the
He
fruit
is-
in, but before the milk.
Right, he's a good whisker. There's no question.
Okay.
Okay, and now you're just going to pour it in.
Okay. Then there you go, and then
And here it
set.
goes. You just
Pour the milk?
Yeah, just pour it till the top.
This is very easy. Then you just want to make sure you have room in your freezer.
Yes, you do.
Because I feel like mine is overloaded. So make sure you got space for this. Okay, and then Nancy, I'm guessing you put the
You put the
bottoms
tops
on.
in. Yep, and that is it. And you leave them in for about 6 hours.
Now, if people don't have these handy little things and they're just doing it with an ice cube tray or something, old-fashioned popsicle stick?
Popsicle sticks and put foil on the top.
And then
You can do it in a Dixie cup. You could do it in a little paper cup.
Oh, Dixie cups.
Yeah, you don't need to find these if you don't
Oh,
want to.
see, that's the old-fashioned way I
Yeah.
know and love.
Yeah.
And that's what they look like.
Right.
Can I take a lick?
Yes, that one has coconut in it because I thought it would be refreshing. Coconut
Yes.
flavoring.
And then look at this. There's even a straw for when it melts. There we go. Thank
Oh.
you, Nancy. What a
Great
cute
ideas.
idea.
Always a pleasure to have you here. And it's,
Nice to be here.
it's ice cream. I love it.
That's what it's all about.
I hoped
Spending
you would.
time with people that we love.
By the way, if you want
Nancy.
these yummy red, white, and blue recipes, just go to our website, mymassappeal.com later today.